Hello and welcome. In this session, we're going to explore the 5 core principles behind effective scientific communication.
This is a gentle simulation, not a test of endurance. Experts carefully control all conditions, guaranteeing Barnaby's safety and well-being throughout the entire experiment. Today, we're putting Barnaby through 3 distinct extreme conditions: simulated intense cold, soaring heat, and finally, strong gusts of wind. Alright, our first challenge, extreme cold. We're starting at a comfortable 18 degrees Celsius. Barnaby is securely placed inside a smaller, insulated box within the main chamber. My short, dark brown hair is slightly swept back as I lean in, watching intently through the clear panel. Barnaby is beginning to curl up. He's curling up, a classic hamster defense mechanism, conserving body heat. His movements are becoming more deliberate, noticeably less frantic under the cold conditions. Now, we explore the opposite extreme, intense heat. The temperature rises to 32 degrees Celsius, then 38 degrees Celsius. Hamster starts breathing faster. He flattens his body against cooler surfaces. He barely moves, conserving energy. The conclusion is clear: hamsters are highly susceptible to heat. Introducing gentle wind gusts at 10 km/h. As wind increases, Barnaby's fur ruffles noticeably. The strong wind compels Barnaby to seek shelter. His survival instincts are truly fascinating. Through every simulated challenge, Barnaby remained safe and healthy. Hamster navigated each condition with natural instincts.
This complex structure supports their natural instincts. And if we're lucky, Barnaby himself will show us. Ah, there he is.
Hamster showcased incredible resilience. As a final thank you, I'm giving him his favorite sunflower seed snack.